You may find yourself wanting to experiment with some code or just want the power of PhpStorm to inspect some code you've got from elsewhere. Instead of creating a new project or creating a new file in an existing project, PhpStorm allows you to create a scratch file. I just came across this feature today, and after reading the PhpStorm documentation on it, it seems like a useful feature to know. We're currently looking at the PHP traits project from yesterday. So let's see if we can create a scratch file. We need to go to File, New Scratch File, and we have a list of options here, various languages that we can create. I'm just going to create a simple HTML file or HTML scratch file and create some HTML using Emmet. Hit Tab. Now I have some code that I just want to play around with. Maybe I can just type hello world here. So if I had this code from elsewhere, at least I can see the syntax and use PhpStorm to, I guess, review the code. If I don't want it anymore, I can just close down the tab. And it's gone from view, yes, but in our project, it never existed here and it's not going to exist now. But if you want to view that file again, you can click on here where it says project. There's a drop down and click on the word scratches. You now should see your scratches view, and we do have a scratch.html file, and there you go. That's still the file that we just created. So these files aren't really part of your project. PhpStorm stores it in a sudo folder. And according to the docs, it is stored under PhpStorm home in a directory called config/scratches. Now there's one more thing you can do with these scratch things is create a scratch buffer. And all this is just a simple text file. To do that, press Ctrl-Shift-A and type scratch. So if you just quickly wanted to, I don't know, type anything you wanted without any file association with it, you just create a scratch buffer. Same thing, it stays in your scratches folder in the scratches view. The code in the scratch file is executable, so you can run and debug it, and local history is also supported. So there's some useful things you can take advantage of in PhpStorm, so that's very good. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to hit and like that subscribe button.